Stop looking at your scrap pile as waste. It's actually your most powerful design asset. That corner of offcuts? It's the key to architectural authority in a small space. Today, we're turning forgotten timber into breathtaking wall art that looks like it belongs in a high-end gallery. Let's unlock the material alchemy of scrap wood. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. Today is for the dreamers with small floor plans and big visions. We're diving into the world of aesthetic wood wall art, decoding the designer secrets needed to turn scrap wood into show-stopping highlights. Whether you're a renter or a homeowner, we're about to infuse your walls with tactile integrity and soulful character. Let's get creative. The Scrap Wood Revelation Chapter 1. Linear Rhythm, the Slim Lathe Mural. In small spaces, we must create vertical volume. Step 1. Take your thinnest scrap lathes. Step 2. Arrange them with linear rhythm. By leaving a half-inch gap between each strip, you create shadow architecture. It draws the eye upward, making your ceilings feel infinite while adding tactile warmth to a cold wall. The Scrap Wood Revelation Chapter 2, Geometric Integrity, the Mosaic Block. This is material alchemy. We aren't just gluing blocks, we are creating geometric integrity. By varying the thickness of your scrap pieces, you create a 3D landscape. When the sun hits these different depths, it creates an atmospheric ambience that changes throughout the day. This is aesthetic large wood art without the boutique price tag. The Scrap Wood Revelation Chapter 3, the Floating Shelf Mural, Functional Artistry. For tiny apartments, your art must be a functional anchor. Use a heavy scrap piece as a floating sculptural shelf. It's biophilic styling at its best. It provides a pedestal for your soul's favorite objects while taking up zero floor space. This is how we achieve minimalist integrity. The Scrap Wood Revelation Chapter 4, the Tonal Gradient, Material Alchemy. The secret to aesthetic wood art isn't the wood itself, it's the tonal gradient. Step 1. Embrace the pivot. Instead of staining everything one color, use material alchemy to highlight the natural variance of your scraps. Step 2. Apply a gradient flow. By placing darker tones at the base of your art and lighter tones at the top, you create a sense of architectural weight that grounds the room. It's sustainable luxury that feels curated, not accidental. The Scrap Wood Revelation Chapter 5, the Shadow Grays, Atmospheric Curation. The final 10% is shadow architecture. Step 1. Implement a side graze. In a small space, lighting is your best friend. By placing a hidden light source to the side of your wood art, you emphasize the tactile integrity and create atmospheric depth. Step 2. Embrace the glow. This isn't just a lamp. It's a show-stopping highlight that turns your scrap project into a high-end gallery installation. Once the sun goes down, your wall becomes a soulful sanctuary. The Scrap Wood Revelation Chapter 6, the Visual Echo, Compositional Continuity. The hallmark of a senior expert is the visual echo. Step 1. Prevent design isolation. Never let a large installation stand alone. Step 2. Implement tonal repetition. Take 3 small off-cuts from your mural and place them strategically around the room, perhaps as a base for a candle or a small sculptural block on a bookshelf. This creates a breathtaking rhythm that pulls the eye across the space, making your small apartment feel like a cohesive, bespoke sanctuary. It's the ultimate designer secret for creating a home that feels composed, rather than just decorated. Before you head to your workshop, I want to say a heartfelt thank you to this mindful community. Seeing how you transform your scraps into soulful sanctuary pieces is why I do this. If you found a spark of inspiration today, hit that subscribe button and join our journey. Let's keep building a more beautiful, sustainable world together. I'll see you in the comments. Remember, your walls are the canvas of your life's narrative. Don't fill them with things, fill them with intentionality. Even a discarded piece of wood has a story to tell if you're willing to listen. Go forth, practice your material alchemy, and create a home that truly reflects your soul. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.